OBD2 compliant, and supporting all 10 OBD2 modes, the Innova SDS50 is a powerful and versatile tool for any technician. View real-time data stream for Powertrain. Understand each parameter identifier with ease, thanks to the live data description, which displays detailed information, including definitions and nominal values. Customize your live data display by selecting only the PIDs you need with the custom feature. The SDS50 also offers 3 advanced graphing options, including the ability to graph a single PID, multi-graph for side-by-side viewing, or merge graph, which allows you to put up to 4 PIDs into one graph. Capture and save live data streams for later analysis with the record function. Then, playback your recorded data whenever you need. The recorded data can be replayed in both text view and graph mode. You can also find your previously recorded data in previous vehicle. For more information, please visit us at innova.com.
Find the problem, fix the problem.